A middle-aged woman is having a problem with her husband. She can't stand living with him anymore because he doesn't care about family. He always gets drunk, then beats her. She decides to make a divorce claim against him. She files the complaint and brings a legal action against her husband in a law court. On her way to go there, she meets by chance a student of faculty law and asks her how to get to the place.
Excuse me?
Yes, madam.
I'm going to the court, but I don't know how to get there. Could you tell me where is it, please?
Sure, is it on Muria Road? You can go down this and pass the first crossroad, then take the first turning to the left. The District Court of Justice is across the PCA Bank. You can miss it.
Oh, thank you.
We must have a problem. Is there anything that I can help you with? You said that you were going to the court. Perhaps there is something I can help you. I am a law student.
Yes, I'm going to report my husband for domestic violence in court.
Oh, will you? Sure. You can go and see the administrative court officer in the court.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, too. How can I help you?
Yes, I'm going to bring a divorce suit against my spouse to court.
Anyway, what is the matter?
My husband has committed a domestic violence to me. I'm starting to get angry with him because I cannot bear on it.
Well, wait for a moment. I will read up your complaint. Could you be more specific on the domestic violence that he has done for you?
He did the physical violence such as he always beat me and the other things he did where he rarely gives me money for our daily needs. Sometimes he doesn't come home without any notice. He often gets drunk and he doesn't care for our children anymore. He frequently flirts with other women. He forgets about his family. I usually keep quiet and try to be patient. But now I can't bear it any longer. It makes my blood boil when this sort of things happens. I told him that I don't like the way he does, but he didn't listen. I have made my mind to get a divorce from him and I'm intending to sue him. I will initiate the court proceeding. That's why I am coming to this court.
Oh, poor woman. She has been treated cruelly. Well, madam, try to look on the bright side. Anyway, you can take this matter to the court and sue him. Did you bring a formal complaint to submit?
Yes, there you are.
Well, first, you have to file your complaints and register her. We will gather all the evidence in the divorce case from both of you.
Is that right?
Of course, you are required to fill out the application form and the divorce form as well. If you're having trouble filling out the form, I will help you to complete the paperwork if you need it. After that, you have to pay for the court fee.
Sure, I have finished.
Good. We will give you a copy of each form. Make sure that you keep a copy for your records.
When will I know the court hearing sessions?
Well, before the trial is conducted, the court head will look at the case and appoint the presiding judge, head and judge members who will preside over the proceeding when the case comes up for trial or will be heard in court. After that, we will set up the trial date for the case.
Okay, how can I know when the trial will be conducted?
After all the documents have been received, complete processed and reviewed through several stages, then we will issue a summons to both of you as an official letter within the next few weeks. You and your husband must obey a summons and serve a summons on somebody.
Is that right?
Yes, we will also call you to ensure both of you have received a summons and confirmed you coming to the trial. You will have to attend several hearing sessions to give evidence before the judge passes the sentence as a final verdict.
Who will come for the trial during the hearing sessions?
You yourself, your spouse, and your children. We will also call your children to attend the trial as the witnesses for questioning the witnesses in this domestic violence case. The witnesses will be sworn in before they give testimony.
Really?
Yes, both of you will be cited in the first proceeding. The case begins with a plaintiff, that is who bring a legal action in a domestic violence against your spouse.
How does the judge conduct the trial?
Well, you will be seated in court. Then the prosecutor will read out your complaints and accusation of the domestic violence against the accused while the judge listens to. The judge also will listen to your children's testimony. So, it is very important that your children tell the truth. I mean, the judge needs the fact about what your children witnessed. The children will have to agree to give their testimony in court. Before the children give testimony, they have to be under oath. I mean, they have to be under oath when they have promised to tell the truth in court. They are sworn in. They are not allowed when they are under oath.
What happens if both parties do not agree to each other's arguments?
Your husband or you yourself can argue for any complaints you raise against your case if either your husband or you think the complaints are unjustified. Your husband can confront you with the domestic violence accusation that you report about.
Can he?
Sure, he can.
How can the judge make the final verdict?
Well, the judges will decide after listening to all statements then and consider whose evidence or fact are weak or strong, then finally pass the sentence to the guilty.
Will the court conduct a trial right away after the case goes to the Court of Justice?
No, usually at the beginning of the session, the judge will offer both of you a mediation and an agreement whether this case is to be continued or not.
What is the goal of mediation?
To find a resolution which both parties of you and your husband believe is fair. The judge is the one who acts the mediator and is a kind of neutral party. The mediator does not favor either side but acts as the voice of reason and assists the party is reaching a mutual agreement.
Oh, I see. How does the judge make the mediation?
Well, the judge will see if both parties are willing to cooperate.
What happens if either side of the party maintain a nothing approach?
Probably the parties fail to reach the mediation.
How can the mediation fail?
Probably the option of resolution of are not fair in accordance with the interests of each of party.
That makes sense.
Yes, but I would suggest that you take your case to a legal aid bureau. There you can consult with an attorney who deals with such case in the law, and you will get legal advice. The attorney can formulate defense or to initiate legal action. You will probably get a more satisfactory result.
Sounds good. Well, thank you for the information and advice. I'm looking forward to having this session.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
How can I help? Final verdict. Decided.
Really?
Domestic violence will be
Yes, I suggest